down now. Confirm visual.
Solid visual on the hook. Extension is good.
Fleet Command, this is Salvage 1. We have target acquisition. Confirming F-35C at 9,500 feet. Coordinates are being plotted now.
Down slow now. Watch the stern. Roger that. Lines are clear.
Start the tensioning sequence on the primary winch.
Sequence initiated. Tension holding steady. Checkpoint 4, verified.
Secure the aft straps.
Security confirms clear perimeter.
Steady as she goes. Bring it up another 5 feet and hold.
Roger, maintaining tension, coming up 5 feet.
Secure the chains. Check tension. Starboard forward is tight. All green. Craft secured.
All right, driver, your manifest checks out. Proceed slowly into the depot and wait for the ground crew.
Look at the extent of this saltwater damage near the intake.
Documenting it now. The depth gauge reads 20 mils.
Roger that. Logging the discrepancy. The borescope shows minor erosion on the vanes, but within tolerance.
Noted. The ultrasonic reading here is stable. Updating the digital overlay now.
All right, easy now. Down 5 centimeters. Hold it there. Clear on the mounts.
Ensure the seal is tight on the Faraday bag.
Confirmed. Security. Item logged at 1400 hours.
Ensure coverage around the rivets, per diagram 4B.
Yes, the inhibiting compound is fully applied to this section.
Good, let's move to the next frame station.
I understand the 8-month lead time, but we need that F-35 component prioritized immediately.
Requisition is confirmed for tail number 4023.
Borescope shows significant microbial growth in cell 4.
Confirmed, and the intrusion damage on this bladder is extensive. We need to document this immediately.
Continuity check on the flight controls. Reads good. Confirmed on the diagram. That matches the primary input.
The F-35C Lightning II's refurbished Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine mounted in outdoor test cell. Technicians monitoring from the control room.
Checklist shows green on the harness connections.
And the exhaust duct is torqued to specification. We have positive pressure on the bleed air system.
Gauges look good. I'm verifying the ductwork now with the solution.
Looks clear.
Pressure sequence initiated. Monitor the dampeners.
Readings are stable. Holding at max load.
Readings are stable on the left tank.
Uploading calibration tables now. Verify the gauge.
Gauge reads full. Synchronization complete.
Checksum initiating. Digital signature required.
Key inserted. Biometrics confirmed. Channel synchronizing.
OFP upload complete. Verification successful.
Signal quality steady on MADL. Encryption keys verified. We are green across the board.
Check the distributed aperture feed synchronization now.
Systems verified. Fiber optic link is solid. We are good to go.
Sequence initiated. Pressure stabilizing at nominal.
Locks engaged. Green indication confirmed. Cycle complete.
Resistance check on the starboard stabilizer. What are the readings?
Passing at 0.003 ohms, well within limits.
We're seeing stable pressure on the concentrator. How's the purity analysis?
Holding at 99.8%. The sieve beds are performing nominally.
Torque check on position 4, we're at 25 foot-pounds. Nitrogen flow is stable. Alignment parameters are holding steady. We are green across the array.
Alignment is green. Send it down slowly.
Seated. Starting torque sequence on station 7.
Verified. Quality check complete.
Looking good on the fiber channel ports.
Green across the board. BIT sequence finalized.
A little lower on your side, steady. Copy that, coming down slowly. And locked, check the seal.
Alignment complete on port 3. Initiating scan sequence. Stand by for coverage verification. Confirmed. System operational.
Applying heat to the loop now.
Roger that. Fire warning active in the cockpit.
Halon bottle pressure good. Continuity check complete.
Fluid is right on the mark.
Confirmed. Checklist signed off. Disconnect the cart.
Data load complete. All systems verified green.
Log the transfer and secure the device.
Good work. Pressure decay is nominal. The brake held firm.
Copy that. Validation successful.
Verify neutral on the left elevon. We are at 0-1.
Confirmed. Rudder alignment looks solid. Finalizing the calibration sequence.
Data fusion rates are peaking right here. We're seeing full throughput on the MADL.
Latency holding steady below the threshold.
Sequencer test initiated. Reading nominal values.
Check. Oxygen connection secure and safety pins confirmed visual.
All clear on the starboard side. Proceed with movement to the anechoic chamber.
Reading at 25 degrees, spot on. Good.
Verified. Calibration complete.
Alignment complete. We have harmonization with the reference datum.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Emergency power sequence active. RAT deployment successful.
Affirmative. Battery discharge nominal. EPU engaging. Load test commencing.
Engine failure. Hydraulic caution. Systems offline.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Injecting fault 4B.
We are approaching max load. Monitor the strain.
Confirmed stable at 4 to 5,000. Cycle complete.
How are the readings on the center display?
Minimal blooming detected. All levels are within tolerance.
NVIS check complete. Looking good.
The exhaust plume normalization is holding steady below threshold.
Confirmed. Signature remains within expected stealth parameters.
Look at this spike right here at 18 gigahertz.
That's inconsistent with the baseline signature. We should isolate the source.
Gear doors cycling open. Sequence looks good.
Affirmative. Retraction cycle initiated. Timing at 42 seconds.
Roger that. Monitoring pressure.
There it is, right on the forward seam. Start time now. Reading confirmed. Logging the location.
Continuity check passed on station 5. Ready for sequence test.
Affirmative. Running weapons release sequence now.
Lights are functional, switch is engaged.
Confirmed on the diagnostic report. The cycle is complete.
The eddy current data shows a minor fluctuation right here.
Yeah, let's correlate that with the ultrasonic readout.
Looks like the strain gauges are responding. All readings within expected parameters.
Keycard inserted, running the sequence now.
Mode 5 response is solid green.
Validation complete.
Check the filter housing for particulates. Make sure the sample is exactly 5 milliliters.
Looks clear. Taking the sample now.
We're verifying the coolant flow rates now.
And the heat rejection is exactly as modeled. The sensors are reading correctly.
Applying the mist now.
Detector light is green, localized heat is holding. Readings look good.
Door cycling. Lock engagement looks good on port side. Sequence checks green. Doors cycled. All systems nominal.
Covert mode switch logic verified.
Confirmed. NVG parameters are nominal.
The water activation switch is responding correctly.
And the acoustic frequency is verified. Beacon is operational.
Activating the repellent system now. Verify the spray pattern. The pattern is uniform across the canopy. Fluid level stable at 95%.
Electrical connections secure. Verify jettison circuits.
Circuits verified. Ground test is good to proceed.
Looks like the download is complete. Let's see what we've got here. Right before impact, all parameters went critical.
Confirming all load cells are calibrated. Empty weight is documented. Center of gravity calculations verified.
System pressurized. Steady. No seepage detected on the paper. Connection validated.
Monitor the ripple sequence on Station 5. We need confirmation on the egress timing.
Stand by. Running final validation. Looks good. Sequence is a go.
Telemetry looks good. No lockup detected.
Sensors verified. We are clear.
Initiating flow sequence now.
Totalizer reading stable. Verified accurate.
System check complete. Radar altimeter readings are accurate from 0 to 5,000 feet AGL.
Oxygen levels are stable. Purity at 95%.
Confirmed.
Shutting down the flow.
Autopilot engaged. Stability augmentation systems nominal.
Control laws validated. All responses within parameters.
All parameters met. Executing final validation.
Solid copy. TAC and alignment successful.
Theater data file loading complete. Secure protocols verified.
Acknowledged. Disconnecting now.
Got a slight discoloration here near the hydraulic coupling.
Okay, I see it. Logging it now. Stand by for photo.
Roger. Leak check complete.
The functional check flight parameters are all solid.
Yes, confirmed. All systems perform nominally.
Transcription. Okay, let's download the fault codes.
Looks like the PHM data is coming through now.
Okay, initiating the jettison sequence test.
Valve actuator cycled open and closed. System checks are good. Check the torque on panel 42.
Looks good. Wait, this fastener here seems slightly proud. I'll add it to the list.
And we'll cycle the landing gear 3 times, ensuring positive uplock and downlock indications.
Pins are removed, Captain. Stowing them now. Roger that. Pre-flight checks ongoing.
Check sequence 47.
Looks good. All systems green.
maintaining 5,000, initiating roll sequence.
Roger that, looking good from here, telemetry solid.
Confirming gear extension complete, indications are good, no abnormal vibrations. Cycling retraction now.
Airspeed check 250 knots, validating the pitot-static.
Roger that, reference check's good at 250.
All right, engaging autopilot, altitude hold, heading hold. System is active. Now let's test approach mode. Monitoring engagement.
Radio check UHF, how do you read?
Loud and clear.
Switching to VHF.
Still got you.
SATCOM check.
Solid comms.
Refueling probe extended and locked. Visual confirmation on the lights.
Cabin pressure holding steady at 5.0 psi differential. Oxygen flow is nominal. Test parameters are good.
The F-35C is officially mission capable, sir.
Glad to have her back. Well done, folks.